and explain to you what we're going to do on clients who want classic lashes, but they want the length, but they also want fullness. But also for the client who can't necessarily hold all the weight of a long lash, but want to have long lashes. So I have my girl drawn out here for a client. This is her nose, her eyebrow, her eyes closed with a gel pad. So I have 3 colors. They're gonna represent 3 different lash diameters that we're going to use. So purple, we're going to say is 0.15. Orange will be 0.12. And turquoise will be 0.10. So it doesn't matter what lash map you use. You can use whatever shape you would like. I'm just gonna draw a basic one. I'll just continue with the black to be basic. So let's do, okay. So we have the main lines of our map out. So let's say that her natural lashes are 9 millimeters long. She has okay lashes. They're not the most healthy lashes, but she can hold extensions. So she can hold a 0.15 healthily without damaging. So that's gonna be our main length. So if we were just to do her normal lashes, she has 9 millimeter lashes, so we'll go up to 11 at the longest. So here we'll have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 10, 9, 8. Okay, so that's gonna be our main length. This is gonna give us the fullness. This is gonna give us the majority of what the shape is gonna come from. Then we're gonna come in with our 0.12s, 1 to 2 millimeters longer than these. Since we're going down in diameter, that means it's less weight. So she can hold the longer length because it's gonna compensate. You can either go less in diameter and longer in length, or shorter in length and thicker in diameter. Make sense? Yes. So then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna do, we'll say, you can either, go 1 or 2. So we can go to 12 in this section, or we can also go to 13. I'm just gonna do basic 12. Then this will be 11, 10, 9. And honestly, I leave the inner corners. We want them to taper just as fine. And there's not really many lashes there anyway, so we want to keep those kind of themselves. And same thing with the outer corners. So here, 11 and 10. Bam! So that is gonna be our second. And we're not working with layers here. We're working, well, you can work with layers if you want to. Have the 15 on the bottom closest to them, the 12 in the middle, and the 10 on top. Or you can just mix them throughout the lash section, all in between, it does not matter. That is up to you of how you want to do that. Then we're gonna use our 0.10s and go even longer. So this one, you can even go up to a 14 if you wanted to, because it is so light. So we'll do 14, 13, 12, 11, 13, 12. Okay, so what this would look like in a real person, if this was a real client, if I did this and she came in, I had a 2-hour appointment for her full set for classics, which is my average time for a classic full set. I will split my time into thirds. So a third of the time is gonna be with one length, a third of the time will be with another length, and a third of the time will be with another length, having it all grow all together. That way, when it's done, it's all nice and textured, and it gives her the illusion of the length without the damage. And she still has that nice base length to give her the density at the base. The shorter the lashes, the thicker they're gonna look. So when you mix the two together, 1, you give it texture. 2, you make them look nice and wispy, perfect, like strip lash Kim K look. But also, it will give her the illusion of the length without damaging her natural lashes. So there you go. That is how you can do long lengths on weaker lashes or even semi-weak lashes and still give them the length and the fullness. And you can do this with classics, mix, or volume, but this specifically, I made this for classics, obviously. And there you go. If you have any questions, let me know in the Educator on Instagram. Thanks, bye.